Thank you very much for watching GIPSTE. Today's video, I'll be focusing on how you can use Scispace AI to paraphrase your text. Okay, so stay tuned with me and I will share my screen to walk you through how you can use the Scispace AI to do paraphrasing. Let me quickly share my screen. Okay. Okay, so right now I'll just type it by Scispace. This is the first link. I'll put the link in the chat so those who want to use the Scispace AI to paraphrase, you can just go to the description of the video and click on the link. So this is the interface. Since I've already done a lot of video on Scispace, so this is the interface you have been seeing, okay, in all the videos. So here, where will I go from here? Okay, where will I go from here? So here, I will have to look for a text or file to extract. Okay, so assuming that I've already copied my information and I want to paraphrase. So I'll put a cursor to where I have the home. Okay, then I'll select paraphraser. Okay, I'll select paraphraser. So once I select paraphraser, okay, I have to make sure that I don't have any information there because this is where I'm going to paste the text that I've copied. So I want to have a new input, so I'll clear it. Okay, I'll clear it so that I get a new space to work with. Remember that if you have a lot of text to paraphrase, you cannot copy all and put it there. But what you can do is that you can do it, you know, in a smaller sizes. So make sure that the text that you are copying is not more than 500 words. Okay, it should be less than 500 words. Okay, good. So let's take, for example, that this is the text that I want to paraphrase. Okay, so I put the cursor here, then I paste it there. So when I paste it there, then I'll click on paraphrase. Then it will paraphrase in the right-hand side. You see that the original text has 27 words, and the paraphrase has how many words? 43 words. Okay, 43 words. So this is the new version of the original version. So you can do it for many different texts. Remember that before you can paraphrase any of the work, okay, you must make sure it's no more than 500 words. So you have a lot of text, a lot of pages to paraphrase. You can do it piece by piece, okay, in smaller sizes, less than 500 words at a time. Okay, so assuming that you are done with this and you want to paraphrase another one, you come to new input and you clear. Then you paste the new one, okay, then you paraphrase. So if you are done, if you are comfortable, you just copy and you paste in your Word document. Then you go back to clear, okay, go back to clear, you paste the new one, you paraphrase, okay, then you copy. You paste it in the Word document, you go back to clear, then you paste, until you are done with all the pages that you want to paraphrase. Okay, this is what I have for you. If you have any question, okay, you can put in the chat and I'll go there to answer you, or maybe I'll go there to react to your question. Thank you very much for subscribing and supporting the channel. I'll see you all in the next video. Thank you.